I'm lagging now too.
On first down. Fires on the move. On fourth down, looking for the completion. Makes the grab, ready for the first down.
No.
And it's no good.
Come on, come on.
Snap it to the back. Will not
God.
get there.
Drop I may have ever seen because nobody was there.
He splits the He's looking to throw on third and short. Unloads it down.
Oh my God, dude.
It's picked off and they ruin the drive with a turnover. Got room on the return.
Absolute ridiculous.
He'll try to throw and pick up the first down. Unleashes one.
Oh.
Complete to the right. Needs it to keep this drive alive.
Oh, come on.
Big stop.
They'll turn it over on down. Oh. Gophers in a good spot here with second and short. Wants to go up top.
Oh,
give me
are
that.
you kidding me? That's bullshit.
Wow.
Just like that. It's going to happen like that. Wide open. Come on, baby.
He's got an open man. Flying down the field. Just a short pass to the tight end.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right. That tight end just outran two safeties.
Looking downfield on first down. Throws for the tight end. Got him down 24 as this defense tries to force him into a field goal try. Looking downfield and he needs a punch.
Where was my... Oh, I switched to this.
Wants to fire on second down.
Nope. Yep, there's your...
The defense has set him up.
There's your big mistake. Let's go get beers.
He's at the 10.
Done. Done.
Oh, that was stupid.
On third and long, he'll need to loosen up that
Nice
arm.
play. I saw it too, but I had to honor that inside route.
Fourth down, and they can make the field goal from here, but it looks as if they're going to leave the offense out there. On fourth down, they'll try to throw it. He's got enough to give them a first and goal. And the Golden Gophers will hustle to the line. Makes the grab. Touchdown, Golden Gophers!
There you go on a little bit.
He's looking to throw. He's got a nose. Cover the onside kick, then maybe time for a play or two.
Oh my God.
It didn't go far enough.
Oh my.
You know, you didn't give me any turnovers or, you know, touchdowns. That's the name of the game.
Yeah, that's been a big thing for me is I just like don't turn the ball over. It's okay to punt and but yeah, I mean without my defensive touchdowns, I think you might shut me out.